Good evening, traders. Welcome to Small Trades, where we trade small for big gains. Today we notched another green day. Excellent day, I must add. Let's quickly go over this. Spreadsheet can speak for itself. We did we traded 10 accounts today with a total of $4,582 in profit. In addition, we had passed one Topstep account, the 50K account, today, so we made about $556 on it, and that got us over the $53,000 threshold, which we needed to pass the account. So we're going to be funded with this account tomorrow. In addition, we traded these take profit traders, which we haven't traded yesterday. Those accounts, we did about somewhere between $200 to $400 on average. And also on MFF and futures, I'm just, as I mentioned before, I'm taking it easy, just doing a ORB trade, opening range trade in the morning once the market opens up. I did a couple of trades there, and then I also on my new eval here with MFF and futures, the one I'm highlighting here, made $585. I'm just gonna quickly go over the trades that I placed. You won't be able to see them on the chart. In order to see these trades, you can actually watch my live stream that I did this morning. I'm going to link to this video at the end of the video, so please stay tuned to get that link to see all the trades that I've taken in order to get to this 45 and 82 profit. Okay, as you can see here, I've traded MFF and futures account here. I made a $440 profit. There was one small loss of $55. This is when I was doing a bit of a DCA here, so I closed the position early. I took a profitable trade all in all, but at one of the minis took a $55 loss. No big deal. Overall, we had about 78% winning accuracy. So in total is $440 on this account, and the other account we had a $585 win. Now, I could tell you that if you watch the stream, which I highly recommend, the live stream from this morning, you'll see that I took this loss here. You see this $855? Yes, so the market was going against me. I fat-fingered into a trade by accident, and I was stuck in it. And then when I ended up trading my actual trade, that first initial entry hurt me really bad, and it took me into a drawdown. As you can see, it's $450 drawdown, and I got caught with these two, $255 and $85. And I was approaching a negative $1,000 drawdown on my account. As you know, with MFF and futures on the 50K account, you're only allowed to take about $1,200 drawdown before your account gets locked out for the day. So what I did is I got out of this trade so I could prevent myself from getting locked out, and then I entered the trade again normally with just one mini lot, and I was able to get back that $855 loss plus some wins. So I made a total of $1,444, and so you can see the final total is $585. So I'm very happy I was able to get out of that mess and trade this account successfully. 9:30 right here. As we were opening, I was actually going short at first. I noticed that we had this bear flag again. Oh no, just like the previous day. I described a similar situation. So we were sort of bear flagging here. We had this down momentum, some consolidation with upward movement in this ascending channel that I've drawn out here with the green and red lines. And as we started to break down, I started to short from here, and I took a couple of trades on the way down. Then once we reversed, I believe I took a trade here with a two-legged pullback. So here you go. We had one leg, two leg, and we had this sort of a bull flag, and I placed my order here and took it for the win. All right. So after that, I've started drawing out my levels of support. So here's one level support, second level support. So you can see the price came back into this channel. I traded it here. Nasdaq did support our support lines here, and bounced right from there. So we had one support line here, then we have another one, and as the price moved up, I didn't want to chase the trade. It went up, and I got back in here on these levels, and I traded them upwards. We had this channel identified. All right, so I think I took a couple of trades here and then I was done. Again, if you want to see more of my trades, please watch my live streams from beginning to the end so you could get the feel of how I trade and learn from my mistakes. Not a financial advice. I'm here just showing you my experience of what I do and how I trade so you could possibly learn from my mistakes. But also see what kind of setups I take. And maybe if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my trading, please leave your comments. Again, if you have any kind of setups that you want me to test out, I can certainly back test them. I actually have replay mode, so I can certainly back test them and give you my opinion on how successful those trades might be in the long run. So please feel free to leave any of your comments, any of your trading strategies that you think that are worth looking at, and I'll be happy to test them out for you. I'll let you know the success rate over the course of sample size of say 30 days, maybe even up to 60 days. All right, I look forward to seeing you again. I will be live streaming again this week on Friday, and next week again at the market open. So Monday through Friday, you can find me at Smull Trades, okay, where we trade small for big gains. Have a great day.